Hello my friends, today I've been out the very first time for a longer ride with the 901 and a friend of mine, Carlo. He did about 300 kilometers, but when I started actually my bike was complete as it came out of the factory, as it should be. It had two handguards and you already guess it, now it has only one handguard left. Second one is gone. So what happened? Well, I dropped the bike on the left hand side. I made a tight left turn. The wind blew on me. Yes, the wind blew on me. It's the wind's fault. So I dropped the bike. Speed basically zero, nothing, nada. And the handguard broke off. Broke somewhere around here actually. Could show you pieces. Fortunately, I have these nice folding levers actually, which fold up in case the bike falls down. So the lever didn't break off, but now I have only one. So these ones here are basically just cosmetic, nothing else. And look at that, we even made them shiny plastic. Who has that idea on the most exposed part of the bike? And handguard is bad enough. Even worse, tank cover here broke. See this? There's a crack here. That's where I touched down, so it broke here. This seems to be aluminium, but a very brittle one. So there's a crack in here. So I will probably get now something else here. Honestly, I never felt the need to replace the bottom plate on my 790. It had many impact craters, almost meteorite craters, and I could frequently hear ding 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 when the stones impacted. But it did its job, so I didn't replace it. And the plastic part, this tough plastic part on the 790 was much better. Yeah, it got scratched, but it never broke. So what crap is that? So Husqvarna really has done some mistakes with that bike. These two parts are not worth the money really. Neither the handguards nor the tank guards. They need to be replaced, and I probably get, as I said, something with a metal bar for the handguards and a full aluminium engine bash guard, or how you call it. Quite expensive, but I think it makes sense. For the 790 there was even a Kevlar carbon fiber version out, but 350 euros? Come on, no, I'm not gonna spend that much money on only that thing. If I replace something now and spend a lot of money, then I'm replacing the complete engine guard. Okay, hope you're more lucky, but if you drop your bike, the chances are, unfortunately, quite large that you will have the same problem then.